Chart of account is one of the most important structure in business. It is used for daily financial activities and for reporting. Chart of account contains information about the structure of the GL accounts in the SAP ERP system. Basically, there are three types of chart of accounts in SAP ERP system. Operational chart of accounts, group chart of accounts, country specific chart of accounts. Operational chart of accounts for posting all financial statements in the operational chart of accounts. For consolidation purpose, we are using group COA, and for country specific requirements, we are using country specific COA. We are posting all financial transactions in operational COA only. We cannot post any transactions in either group COA or country specific COA. Group COA and country specific COA both are for reporting purpose. For example, if you are assuming operational COA is human body, group COA and country specific COA are the hands of that operational COA. Operational COA, if we create group COA, operational COA, country specific COA, we are assigning group COA and country specific COA to operational COA. In SAP ERP system, we are using so many T codes. It's very difficult to remember all T codes. That's why we should know the path of the T codes also. Here, one interview question is there. What is the pathway of COA? For that, I am showing in financial global settings, under general ledger, under master data, under GL accounts, under preparations, we can see all configurations of COA. Create of chart of accounts, edit, assign company code, creation of group accounts, and retain ending accounts. We can use either T codes or we can use this pathway. Through this pathway also we can do it. This is the structure of my operational COA. Operational chart of accounts we can create by using OB13 T code. Under balance sheet, I created fixed assets group, current assets group, and liabilities group. Under profit and loss account, I created income group and expenses group. Fixed assets, current assets, liabilities, income and expenses, all these are called GL group accounts. For this group, I am giving the number range. One start for fixed assets, 1 to start for current assets, 2 start for liabilities, 6 start for income, and 7 start for expenses. So why I am giving like this means it is easy way to remember. Here I create GL accounts for fixed assets, and these GL accounts for current assets, and these are for liabilities. Like this way I created GL accounts by using the T code FS00. We can create GL account groups by using OBD4 and GL accounts by using FS00. Here I give number range for GL accounts is 6 digits because I took the GL length in operational COA is 6 digits. For easy remembrance, fixed assets start from 1 only, and current assets GL accounts start from 1 to liabilities start 2, income 6, and expenses 7. All these are for remembering easily. If we give any GL accounts which is start with 7, we can understand this GL account is related to expenses group. For this, I'm giving like this. Next, we are posting all financial transactions by using the T code FB50, FB60, FB70 like this. Here, we are creating operational chart of account centrally. Why we are creating centrally means in later I will explain. This is my chart of account group. Here I gave the GL length 6. That's why I took 6 characters while creating the GL accounts. Here I am assigning my operational COA to company code. All these GL accounts I created. Here I will show you here. See, here and one more thing, operational chart of account is company code level, and group COA and country specific COA are the client level. See here, we are giving company code to our operational chart of company code to our operational chart of account, because operational chart of account is company code level. In this also, this tab is related to chart of accounts information, and these two tabs are related to company code information. Group COA. Group COA is used for all company codes within a group of companies. This is used for consolidation purpose. This is required to consolidate 2 or more operational COAs used by 2 or more company codes. Here I created group COA by using T code OB13. Here for consolidation I want to show you. For that I took 3 company codes. One is M100, another one is M101, and the third one is M102. These 3 are different company codes with different operational chart of accounts. You should remember here I gave 3 different operational chart of accounts. When here one interview question is there, when we need group COA to create, or when we no need to create group COA. If we use same operational chart of account for these 3 company codes, no need to create any group COA. Here I took 3 different kinds of operational COA. That's why I created group COA under OB13 T code. Here, these are my fixed assets GL accounts. I already showed you. I gave the length of GL account is 6 digits. Here I want to show you the consolidation. For that I created fixed asset account, group account, fixed asset group GL account. For group GL account with 4 digits of GL length under the T code FSP0. Here I am assigning these fixed asset GL account to each GL accounts in operational COA. So this is my second company code. I assign group GL account, and here also I assign group GL account to all the operational COA. After finish this, if you see in group COA under this GL account, we can means under if we see the group GOA, we can create 12 GL accounts including all. This is the creation of my group COA. That is what I said. I showed you. I gave you the length of GL is 4 digits. This is my operational COA. Here I assign my group COA to operational COA. Here I took fixed assets. For that I assigned all my group COA to my operational COA. Next one is country specific COA. Country specific COA is used to meet country specific legal requirement for the financial statement. For example, France government specified GL codes for each financial statement. For that, I create one country specific COA under the D code OB13. Here I am assigning my country specific COA to company code. These are predefined GL accounts which created the France government. Here I am assigning the country specific COA to all GL accounts. So when you run the report for the financial statement, you will get based country specific GL accounts. So this is my seminar. As of my knowledge, I told everything. I gave you every information about chart of accounts. Thank you.
Super.